Hello, my friends on YouTube. How's everybody doing? Mr. Wonderful here. That's the way I tell them. Okie dokie, what we got today? Well, yep, it's another coin ring. It's a Polynesian, 100 francs. I think I made one of these once before. But it's quite gorgeous. I like the colouring on it. 2003. Right, obviously this is going to be the sunny side up on the ring. So let's get going. Half-inch punch again, because it's quite a big coin. Hope everybody's well and feeling good and sexy and gorgeous and that. So from now on, whenever you get out of bed in the mornings, I want you to do this. When you get out of bed in the mornings and you go into the bathroom to have a wash or clean your teeth, look in the mirror, look at yourself and say, baby, yeah, I'm looking good today. I tell you what, it works, you know. My girlfriend thinks I'm crazy. She's probably right. So in tomorrow's video, if you leave any comments, let me know if it worked. Get up, have a cup of coffee, you know, sort yourself out. Go in the bathroom, clean your teeth or whatever it is you do. And then look in the mirror and say out loud, I'm looking good today. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling sexy. And I tell you what, your day will be a lot better for doing that. It won't hurt for you to try it. Come on, I expect you to try these things. Right. What we got? Now we need Christy Burr to do his job. We're just going to clean up them edges, make sure there's no cracks for me. I'm laughing, I don't know what I'm laughing at. I haven't had anything to drink today. Right, we're getting there, I think. Yep, and a bit more there. It's a bit sad there. Any of you guys into rock and roll? And check out Rose Tattoo's latest kick-ass song. I see them on the Monsters of Rock cruise. Done a few of them. Best holiday of my life, they were. Everybody's no trouble. Everybody's in the exact same frame of mind, you know, everybody's chilled. And you're watching live bands from about 9 in the morning till bloody God knows what, late at night. Right. Let's warm it up with a bit of love from Bernie the Firestarter. Jaws. One of my subscribers named this Jaws, but I haven't really said the name before. But Jaws he is. Right, that's looking pretty good. bit of kitchen roll just to dry it off. Right, there we go. Yeah, this is going to be sunny side up. Look at the patina on that. That's stunning, isn't it? Beautiful. Right, we need a 17-degree folding die, and that ain't too bad. So this is going to go face down in the ring. That'll be sunny side up on the ring. Face down in the ring, face down in the die, sunny side up on the ring. They get in there slowly. Right, let's go over to, I nearly said spike. This is Big Red. It's a 1-ton arbor press. You can pick these up anywhere about 70 or 80 bucks. That was quite nice and easy. Right, let's break out sandy. We just want to clean that edge up, make sure there's no cracks forming. A bit more, I think. It's looking a bit sad there. That's better. She's a good one. Right, let's go over to spike. The best tool in my toolbox. I love spike. If you could love a tool, this would be the tool I would love. Right, bit of kitchen roll protects the inside of the coin so you don't lose the detail. Give it a bit of a turn each time. It stops the ring from going a bit wobbly. And it stretches it equally all the way around, so you don't get an uneven ring. I did have one comment a while ago. Some guy was saying, you're spoiling the videos by having names of your tools, you know. Well, if you don't like it, bugger off and see something else. I like all my tools are named, you know. I mean, there's a load of coin ring makers out there that don't name their tools. I do. That's what I do. Right. Pretty good, eh? Pretty damn good. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of spike. I might have to warm this up again. I don't know. There's a little bit there I can use. Make sure it's level. Or square, however you want to call it. God! I think I'll give it a bit of love, a bit more love. Yeah, I do custom work. If you're looking for a custom made ring, you can send me your own coins if you want. I do have lots and lots of coins, UK, American, you know, blah blah blah. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in now, I can adjust the size where I can go up or down within reason, you know. Right. Now what we got? Dry them off. And go back. These are reduction dies. There's a bit there. Oh yeah, bit the other way. That went very quickly. How's she looking? Is them walls nice and straight? Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Right, have we got anything there to take out? No. There is a lip, but you can't grab it. Oh, maybe there's a little bit. They give it a little bit of Christy Burr. I can't really grab it. Yeah, that's good. Right. Now we'll get out Dave the Dremel, and Kate Bush is still looking rather good. This is like Cod Zero steel on the end of this thing. Just takes the fire scale off, makes it look gorgeous. A bit more volume, eh? I was thinking of polishing this one, but I don't think I will. I quite like the Edwin look. Well, if you're new to the channel, the Edwin look is just like a satin finish, you know. If you'd like it highly polished, no problem, I can do it for you. Ouch. Because that is nice. You can see straight away it's a... Isn't that beautiful? And that's why you use the kitchen roll. I could highly polish this for you if you want, but I quite like it as it is. It's quite gorgeous, isn't it? Right, what size we got? Probably a 70 something. $60, $69 and a bit. And the good old Yankee Doodle size is 13 1/4 nearly. So thanks for watching. On the inside it says please hit the subscribe button, and on this side it says thanks for watching. And please hit the like button 100 times. Look, 100. So thanks for watching. Hope you all having a great day. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.